How to be a media buyer making 6 figures or more. Let's jump into it, guys. What is a media buyer? So if you look the definition up on Google, a media buyer is somebody who's basically buying ad space and time for things like TV, radio, newspaper, digital, many different things. Media buyers essentially are focused on doing work for a client or for the business that they are working under. The idea is that the business owner or the client has some sort of goal that they want to achieve with their advertising. Most of the time, that goal is to get more sales. That main goal that business owners really want to see is an increased ROAS, which is ROAS, which that stands for return on ad spend. And that just means that the business owner is looking to increase their return, the sales that they're getting for the ad spend that they're spending. Our agency is currently doing over 7 figures, primarily doing media buying services for our clients. But what's realistic when you're getting started? The starting pay, if you look up on Google for a media buyer, is going to be somewhere around the $50,000 to $60,000 range at a company. Now, that doesn't sound like a lot, but that's because you're at a company. Where the real magic happens is if you're able to service your own clients and work in that way. On average, the clients that we service in the media buying world right now tend to be anywhere between $7,000 to $10,000 a month in income that's coming in from each of those clients. The number one thing to get started is community. If you can surround yourself in the right groups with the right online marketers, I promise you, eventually there's going to be an opportunity that comes up for you to start doing ads. What you should look at first is joining Facebook groups. We actually have an AdClass Facebook group full of media buyers, so it's a really great place to get started. But even if you don't join that group, join a Facebook group. There's tons of Facebook groups online with different marketers for YouTube ads, Facebook ads, all the different kinds of advertising. I can tell you that the first step that you need to take if you're going to take this seriously is start to surround yourself with the people who are actually doing it. The next thing that you should focus on is education, okay? You can be in the groups and everything, right? And you can know the right people, but if you have no clue what to do inside of the ad account, you're probably not going to be able to provide results for your client. Start to educate yourself. Watch the videos on this channel, research other YouTube videos, take some online courses that you can find. You need to get in the platform, you need to start clicking around on those buttons, and you need to start understanding the structure of how all of this works. The first thing that you're going to want to master is delegation. You're going to want to go ahead and look at hiring a VA or an entry-level marketer that can really help you with things like data entry and automating some of the work that frees up your time to better service your clients. The next thing that you want to do is utilize proper tracking. Okay, this is crucial. When you're a media buyer and you're tracking the stats and performance of your campaigns for your clients, it's crucial that you have good tracking because it's going to save you a ton of time. If you have really good tracking in place, then you don't have to spend hours and hours and hours and hours every day wondering what's working and what's not. Number 3, do good work. You have to actually provide results for your client. Don't just think that you can get in there and just click some buttons and hope that stuff is going to work. You actually have to provide results for your client and make sure that they're happy. And lastly, you want to offer referral payouts. So remember how we talked about those groups and building a community and being around people who are doing this? Well, once you start to meet other people in those groups, offer them a referral payout if they send you clients. This is huge. I cannot tell you how many clients that we've gotten simply because we have friends in the space that refer them to us. 1, because we do good work, but 2, because when they refer us a client, we will pay them a fee for that referral. Leave any questions that you have in the comment section below. I would love to personally answer those questions for you if anything in this video was confusing. See you guys next time.